Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing of geometric angle blocks or colorful shape sorter puzzle. So here let's unbox. Just we have ordered it through Amazon and now I open this cover. Yes. Now I open this box also. And see inside, wow, it's a very nice. There are so many blocks here with different colors. The finishing of this block is also very nice. This is another shape. So this rectangular shapes looks so cute, and also this triangle, wow, it's very nice. So if you would like to purchase this product from Amazon, just use the product link provided in the description. Also check out the first comment in this video itself, and wow, simply awesome. It just cost around 100 rupees. Just with 100 rupees you can purchase this colorful shape sorter puzzle, or it is also named as geometrical angle blocks. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.